Hello, everyone. Welcome to a new Financial Eagles trading session. Hello, Miguel.
Hello, Nama. Hello, everyone. So, okay, I will share my screen. Okay, guys. So we start today at 30. Let's go on the weekly time frame. As you can see, after this push, we had two weekly. That's a great weekly close. And then this candle closed this gap. Okay. So for now, I will go to the daily. I will put my Fibonacci from this area to this area. Okay. So now we hit like the 0.38. Okay. I will see the reaction in this area. Okay, from this area. Plus, if we go down to the golden zone 0.5, Fibonacci 0.6, if we had a good reversal from here, that's an amazing catch to continue the bullish trend. Okay, daily, nothing shows as bearish. That's a normal retracement. That's up, that's a normal retracement. Okay, so I will be waiting to confirm the bearish move. I need like a new lower high or equal highs. If we hit this area and reject it, that's because that's new highs, okay? So if we rejected this area, that's great. But let's wait to see, the cells, I be more skeptic about them. Look at the bullish momentum, guys, and the bearish. Okay, look at the big bodies, look at the small bodies. Big bodies, small bodies. So I will wait to have a good buy opportunity from this area after closing the gap and we're hitting the Fibonacci 0.38. So breaking this area, I need a good close at least over here, okay, and then like a small retracement or a break if it continued one way, a break and then a retest and then a push again, okay. So that's kind of channel, you can take it. Okay, so let's see the break of this area. Okay, on the black bull, look at the prices. I use black bull always, so follow the black bull one. Okay, as for the cells, if we hit this area again, rejected, and then pushing down, we see this sell from this area or the break of this area to take it as intraday. Okay, that's not like swing trade as daily. Okay, guys. So this is it for the Dow. We go for the gold. The gold daily, it made a good push today. We had the news. It made a great push. So now we reached this area. From here is like risky the buzz to be taken from this area. Okay, so I will wait for sure a retracement and then a push back up, breaking this area to confirm my buy. Look at this one here, over here. Look at this, look at this. So that's a strong area. Pushing one way, I don't risk it for sure. Okay, so I need a good retracement. On the 4 hours, look at those retracements. Okay, so I need at least a retracement. From here, I don't take anything. So I need a good like retracement again, and then a break up, I go with it. Okay. As for the cells, now I will wait for the cells. No cells. No cells over here. Okay. I will wait for the buy. As I said, I need a retracement. As much as it goes, let it go. We follow the trend. When you see a retracement, we go with it. Okay. We go for the euro. Even the euro, it's kind of a flag, kind of a channel. Let's put the daily. Okay, so on the daily, I will wait again the break of this area. Okay, here we had a push, retracement, push, retracement, and then breaking again, it will continue the push down. Okay, so breaking this area, that's a gap, that's like a wrong thing in the chart. In MT5, it's different. Okay, we take it as a wick fill from this, we follow this area, okay, on the trading view. Let's wait, but for sure not one way, because I don't go one candle, especially like the euro. Let it at least close over here and the second candle like you go with it. Okay. Go to the 4 hours even. That's a mass on the 4 hour. So I will wait for it. The buy, I will look for those areas over here again. Okay, from here to here. We will see. because it might be continuing as a flag, as a channel to push again, to break. So let's be skeptic. We have a downtrend, okay? So for my buys, I be skeptic about them. I wait for more sells until I see like a stronger confirmation for the buys, okay? So this is it for the euro. Go for Bitcoin. Look, Bitcoin, guys. We talked last week, guys, about this trend. The break of this trend, it will push it. It will push the grade. If you go for as an intraday to be taken, look at this break, look at this retracement, you take it as intraday. As a swing, look at the daily. It break it, okay, over here. Then now it retested. Look at this candle, look at this great, guys, push. So from this area, you can start taking 98,000, but now it's 100 at reached. And we will see the break or even like this areas. Okay, so this area will push it for new highs for the Bitcoin. That was a normal retracement after a push. Let's look at 4 hours. We had a push, we had a retracement, and now we had again the push. We will see it might retrace from this area and start like to consolidate. It might breaking it, it will push it more. But for sure it will have a retracement. Okay. We will see how much the push gonna be. But it's good, it's good. The push was amazing, the break of this area. As for sales, nothing for sales here. Those only those areas here. Okay. Over this area, nothing shows as a bullish trend. So this is it for me. We go for Joseph.
Hello everyone.
Hello, bro.
So for the GBP JPY, okay, let's start with the weekly time frame. After this reversal hitting from the move up the 0.74%, and now last week it made here a reversal candle. This week it opened, made a small wick down and almost did a wick fill and continue up almost 360 pips. So we are now in a bullish trend, so we'll see. Also, we will put the Fibonacci from up till the last point. We'll see the reaction on this level, the 0.61, and we will see if it will reverse from here or it will continue the bullish move. On the daily time frame, also here we have low, higher low, higher low, and higher low. It might, on the daily time frame, doing a flag to if it will hit this resistance area, and from here continue the bearish move. We will see how it will be moving, but mainly it will go more bullish. On the 4 hours, look how it's going up, making a flag, going up, making a flag, going up. Almost all the time here it's retracing as a flag and continue up. Also here it made a flag and continue up. And also here an inverted head and shoulders. So we might continue more up till this strong area. Look how many time hitting and reject from here and here and here. So we might see a almost 200 pips to continue the full target of this inverted head and shoulders. We will see how it will be moving. Also on the 1 hour time frame. Today we had the CPI. It was little bit here messy, going down in 1 5-minute candle. It goes all the way down, then going all the way up. So here, after this push up and consolidating over this area, so now to continue the bullish move, we will wait a break again of this high. Also, we have now a little bit slow volume. We might take it a little bit riskier from this level for a wick fill and continue up, but better to wait for more confirmation breaking all this high. And for taking any sell, better waiting again breaking this support area. Look how many times also it's hitting and rejecting. So we will search more for a buys. For a sell, it's a little bit far. We'll wait breaking this low again. Also here, after this push up, it's kind of triangle. We have 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's almost a triangle here. To continue the bullish move, we will wait and see how it will be the reaction on this level. But mainly now we are in a bullish trend. So that's it for me.
Thank you, Joseph. Let me share my screen. Okay, so for the GBP USD, okay, so I kept the same buy and the same sell today. Before the CPI news, the Consumer Price Index, we had a big stagnation. Then after that, we saw and we noticed that the GBP was going down. Okay, but it didn't take the sell. And to be honest, I was skeptic. I wasn't feeling comfortable to take the sell because look what happened. It went down and then went up again. So I think after the CPI news around 6:45 Dubai time, it went up big time, but also didn't reach the entry of the buy. That's why I chose this resistance line and this support line because there are strong resistance and support line, and also inside it's not like good to take a trade inside the stagnation, mainly because also like today was the market was very slow because of the news. I will keep the same buy and sell opportunities for tomorrow. I am more with the bullish momentum, the move up of the market. Also, why? Because first, I can see here the Elliott waves forming. We have an uptrend. Let me explain it better. We see here the trend going up. Okay, we reversed from here, so the reversal happened following with the indicators down. You see here the market when I move, look down also at the same time. So it's reversing going up. The indicators are showing me that I am in the overbought area. Mainly it can keep going up. Okay, so it has been going up also. Here we have like a double top, maybe because of today, because the candle is red. Okay, so we have lows and higher lows because it's going up. Okay, so also as pattern, if you remember, we have the head and shoulders formation. But I think yani, after all this confusion in the market that is happening, hopefully it will take its target. Okay, so mainly the target, wait a second. I don't know why I drew it like this, but anyway, this is an inverted head and shoulders, and this is the target of the head and shoulder from the neckline moving to the baseline, and I project here breaking. Okay, on a daily time frame, we have to secure 75% of the target. So here is the break of the head and shoulder. Maybe it's like because it's stagnating because of news. Today we had news, and I remember maybe on Monday we had news or something that made it like slow. I don't remember well, but anyway, so hopefully it will continue up to reach the target and we will be able to benefit from this. Okay, so mainly everything is going and is giving me the indication that it will go up. So let's see what will happen. Okay. Also, because I follow the USD CAD. Okay, so the USD CAD has been going up, bullish momentum for a period of time, especially with the US dollar getting stronger. So it was a big push for the USD CAD. Here we have also the pattern, which is the triangle. The target of the triangle, it is a continuation pattern. It means that if the trend was going up, we had the stagnation, then breaking will go up, will continue moving up. So this is this is the continuation pattern, plus the target should be the baseline of the triangle breaking here, this resistance, sorry. Okay, so mainly this is the target. I'm keeping an eye on the USD CAD. I'm still not taking like trades, but I want to follow up. I put the orders, but I don't take them because like it's not about taking the trade. It's about following the currency, understanding it, analyzing how it behaves. Hopefully by next year, maybe we can add USD CAD on Discord. So it's up to Abdullah and we will talk about this. So yeah, 75% of the target, around like this number. Also, like it went up, but because we had, this week we had high impact in news, so it affected a little bit the market. Even yesterday, I had a sell here, so it was this week of the scandal, this one. Okay, so today it went down. It was going even more down if you see around 33 pips because I think after the CPI it went down. Uh, okay, around 33. Let me check. Yes, or 26 pips. Okay, so mainly for the USD CAD, I will keep the same buy if it goes up. The indicators are showing me that here we reach the overbought area. It means that I have to get ready for the sell. Okay, doesn't have to happen like tonight, but I start like putting in mind that the market will start reversing at some point after all this move up. Okay, so we had a long bullish trend. Look at the trend, wait. Mm. So look how it has been going up. Breaking the trend will give me more indication that we have, this reversal that will start happening soon. So yeah, let's see. Mainly, I am like still, I'm expecting that the USD CAD starts going down. So let's keep an eye and see what will happen. With the sell opportunity, I prefer to wait for today's candle. Okay, 1 second. Here, I want to wait for this candle's close. And from there, I can take like a sell opportunity, maybe. Let's see on a lower time frame. Yeah, I prefer to wait the close of today's candle to see where it will close. And from there, I can choose a better support line to be like clear with it. Okay, so this is it for the USD CAD. Moving to Lydia with silver.
Hello everyone, thank you, Lama. Okay, so for silver, so I'm gonna start with the weekly time frame for silver. As you can see here, this week it made a wick down and opened and start pushing up. It made around 88 pips until now. So moving to the daily time frame. As you can see here, we are still in a bullish move. If you can remember last week, I was telling you about the double bottom it has formed. So like this was the neckline of it. So it like tried to break here, it retested and then it went up. On the lower time frame, as you can see, it made like a flag. But I was out of the market today due to CPI. I don't trade high impact news. So look at this reversal candle, but this 4 hours, it just opened without a wick. So it was like not that of a confirmed trade to take the buy, but anyway, it was CPI today. So, but if you guys are trying it on a demo or something, you can be taking, I drew this trade since last week, breaking here actually. I started to think of this during December 3rd, it was Tuesday. So, and then it went down, retested. As you can see, we have a bullish trend line here. It went up, like did a little retracement, then went up. So like, if you can see, it always moves in waves. It has to like relax a bit before it continues the push up. But mainly, if you can also remember, here on the daily time frame, I'm gonna show you this one. We were like focusing on the ABC of this weekly Elliott wave. So now we are in wave B and we're moving up. Mainly, we have reached here the golden zone. If I can use Fibonacci to see all this wave, if you can see now, it has reached the golden zone and then went down. It retraced and now it's going up. I think we're gonna be like going up until here before we see like a little red candle. But for tomorrow, as this flag, let's see the projection of this flag. Yeah. Okay. So yes, mainly I think it's gonna be reaching the golden zone before it then retraces back. But mainly we are in a bullish movement for silver, and we are expecting to reach this sniper zone to reverse back down to start with the wave C, as it will also be doing the wave 4 of this Elliott wave, of the orange one. It's on the weekly time frame. So the combination of the time frames is very important, but mainly so that I don't get distracted, I try to do the combination and then like erase those Elliott waves. But mainly now, what I'm focusing on is the bullish movement. As for tomorrow, if I'm gonna be like executing any trade, I will see the daily candle, how this candle will close. We might see like a push up tonight, we might, but I'm not that sure because the volume is got low now after CPI. So mainly if we like saw a this candle closing small, we might see like a little retracement tomorrow down before we continue the push up for silver. Mainly this is it, but expecting to move all the way to sniper zone. That's it for me.
Thank you so much, Lydia. So this is it for the analysis.